Cordial greeting. My name is Ginette Solano Bayona. I live in the teacher school Cachipay in the municipality Santa Elena de Lopón, Santander. Estoy en el curso Inglés B2. Advanced Food, let's talk about future plans. Mi número de grupo el 204, mi tutor a cargo, el tutor Daniel Maldonado Núñez. Introduction. Through the following presentation, I will reveal important aspects of personal life, where I will talk about my future plans and medium-term and long-term objectives. Diapositiva número 3. First of all, I mentioned that I'm studying the 6th semester of a bachelor's degree in child pedagogy. I will finish this semester at the beginning of December, and I will wait for the arrival of my baby. I promise that I will continue with my study next year, always giving my best until completing my professional training. Then I want to begin my profession by working hard to provide meaningful learning experiences to children. I want to know new places, countries from different environments from which I can start passive learning things. For example, experimenting with new daily routines to attain a balanced time to each thing. I will train myself more in the pedagogical subject because I love the various ways of being didactic, creating, teaching. That is why I will have me strengthen my capacities and cognitive abilities. In this way, I will be able to contribute to the strengthening and transformation of educational environments in a comprehensive manner. Expectations. On the other hand, in the stage of my life, I will already manage to know, travel and learning to explore through educational participation, new world experiences, advanced nature, where I promote the application of various teaching and learning methods for early children. This is a job that for a long time with a beautiful mind to see real life and to be working in where I life fills my with satisfaction. My goals are to achieve a master's degree in various trainings to continue equipping my software knowledge and experience towards educational transformation. In addition, I want to continue Vietnam educational leadership in the company of other professionals can unite new ideas for building learning and serve diverse children's deserve receiving a quality education. Conclusion. It is important to take into account the describing or gossip objects, taking into account the times to fulfill them. Thank you.